What up, traders? All right, this video, I'm going to share with you how you can actually trade US 30, NAS 100 on very small accounts. We're talking 200 bucks up to $500. See, the challenge is you're not going to have enough margin, even on a 1 to 500 leverage account, to even open up a position. But there's a broker out there that I'm actually going to share with you that gives you the ability to trade index minis. So just like the futures market, there's the mini futures, right? There is a mini index for Forex traders. So if you are trading US 30, NAS 100, stay tuned, okay? Right now, Trump is in office and it's going crazy. We got the tariffs going. You know, last week I made one of my biggest trades in my trading career. So, you know, I'm really excited, but there are a lot of people who don't have big accounts, right? So if you don't have enough capital, but you still want to trade US 30 and NAS 100, let's get it. Okay, so the broker is Osprey FX. They're actually listed on TradeLocker, one of the first brokers. They've been around for a very long time and they're very trusted, okay? So, you know, I'm gonna share a couple of things on the front page. Over 120 assets, 24/7 dedicated support. You can get up to 500 leverage and the spreads are actually very tight. All right, so down here you're going to notice all of the assets. You have the FX majors, you have the FX crosses, you have the exotics, you have the indices, metals, commodities, cryptos, EU shares, US shares. So basically right here in indices, right, you're going to notice that it has a few listed, but when you actually open up an account from Osprey, you're going to be able to see another index that pops up. So right here, you can see that there are the cryptos, the Forexes, you have the traditional indexes, right? Where, you know, you can trade NAS 100, you know, US 30, SPX 500. But let's say you have a smaller account and you just don't have enough capital, but you're still enthusiastic about trading. You can go to mini indexes, all right? So if you only have $200 in your account, right, and you want to risk, you know, basically $100 and catch that whole entire move, well, now you're in luck. You can actually do it with mini indexes. So it's the same chart, but now your position, you're able to actually have a very, very small position size to be able to actually get into that trade. So right here, you're gonna see NAS 100 mini. So I'm gonna go ahead and double click on it. And then here is the chart that actually pops up, right? So again, you know, we're on the daily time frame. You know, I actually caught this whole entire move right here, which was insane. But anyways, yeah, so once you actually get into this trade, right, or I mean, once you actually open up an account, then you're off to the races. So it's really simple. I'm going to show you how you actually deposit money. You just go ahead and click on deposit on the top portion. You do deposit type, and basically I always deposit my my account with Bitcoin. So once I hit Bitcoin, right, I can actually select the wallet. I can do USD, I can do Bitcoin. I usually typically do the US dollar, right? And so I use my Cash App or my Coinbase, and then boom, I just, you know, fund it, whatever, $1,000 bucks, $5,000. I throw the money in there, and then within, you know, 20 to 25 minutes, the money is in my account, and then I just simply go to transfers, right? I transfer it, and then boom, I can transfer basically the wallet to the trading platform. And so once you trade it, once you transfer from the wallet to the trading platform, it's actually going to pop up right here, and then your balance is going to reflect whatever you deposited. So I know this is a really simple video, but I just wanted to share this broker with you because there's a lot of people missing out on opportunities, especially with the trade wars going on right now. So if you do see value in this video, go ahead and like it, subscribe. I do have a TradeLocker tutorial, so if you're new to TradeLocker, go ahead and watch that video. And I also have a video on how you can actually deposit money into the Osprey FX broker. So thanks for tuning in, and I appreciate your time.